Our confused thoughts and beliefs can be deconstructed by reasoning and analysis. This method allows us to actively examine the concept we cling to and to question whether they truly exist or not. When brought into a Buddhist context, this activity is called analytical meditation. Whenever we reach a conclusion through analysis and reasoning, for example, impermanence, we can remain settled on that conclusion. If we achieve a certain level of realization, our mind can come to rest in that realization. This activity is called settling meditation. Through these two types of practice, logic becomes more sustainable and understanding gains force. This can, in turn, eventually lead to wisdom and enlightenment.